Hey, good morning, guys. I have something special for you. It's Honor Magic V5. Dun, dun, dun. Come on, let's do the unboxing. Okay. Shoop. Open. So once you open the box, this is how it looks. Okay. Then, din, din, din. Wow. See my palm and this one. Very lightweight. They say 7.98-inch LTPO OLED display. Okay, and they say like 50 megapixel, the prime camera, 50 megapixel wide angle camera, and 64 megapixel telescopic camera. Let's take a look. Okay, great. I keep this here. Wow. And one thing I noticed. Normally for other unfoldable, the foldable phones, I can see a line here, but here no, absolutely no line. This is really great. Okay. Wow, not so heavy. Good. See, this is like a normal like 6.9-inch phone, and once you open, it's like almost 8-inch phone. It's a dual display, and this has Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Okay, and this supports up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB memory. Wow, comes with Harmony OS and has AI technology. So let's take a look. Long press power on, 2 up down buttons for the volume and 1 for the power on power off button. Okay, and wow, here and here. Here, open, here. The phone is power on now. I can use like a normal phone, the same thing. Okay, once I unfold it, you can see here, this is off and inside on. And then again, it's split completely. All your apps are distributed according to this ratio. Great. So comes with all those basic pre-built, pre-installed apps. And it can also support the Google Play, but unfortunately it has not installed here, but it can support. So the camera is really great. Camera is really amazing. I will do one more vlog on how the camera works. So, and the cost is about almost like 9,000 Chinese yuan, nearly 9,000 Chinese yuan. So I really like this phone. It's really superb 5G phone. So if you have any questions, any doubts, please let me know. Until then, take care. Bye, guys.